Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Mantra. Today I am going to discuss the topic related with the graphical representation of total utility and marginal utility. The previous classes we discussed what is total utility and what is meant by marginal utility and the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Here that relationship I am going to discuss through the graphical representation. Here total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. Then marginal utility is total. Marginal utility means one additional unit consumption time, how much satisfaction you are getting, that is marginal utility. And this marginal utility sum is equal to total utility. The total utility, the last value is equal to the sum of marginal utility. Then 20 plus 16, 36 plus 10, 46 plus 4, 50, 50 plus 0, 50, 50 minus 6, 44. So this MU, marginal utilities total, is equal to total utilities. So total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. Total utility means the sum of all satisfaction that you are getting from consuming one additional unit of a particular commodity. So here 6 cups of ice creams you consumed. So the total satisfaction you got after consuming all 6 cups is equal to 44. So total utility is equal to 44. So here ice creams consumed, marginal utility and total utility given, that is ice creams. First cup of ice cream you got 20 marginal utility, that means total utility is equal to 20. Second cup total utility 16, that means marginal utility, that means 36 minus 20. 36 minus 20, that is 16. That means second unit consumption time, that means one additional unit consumption. Here how much extra satisfaction you got? 16. Then how much total satisfaction? 20 plus 16 is equal to 36. Then third ice cream consumption time, marginal utility 10 and total utility 36 plus 10, 46. Then fourth cup, that means 4, then 50. Then fifth, then marginal utility 0. That means your maximum you are satisfied after consuming till 4. Then if any extra unit you consume, that time the starting time your satisfaction will be 0, and then after particular maximum limit or maximum satisfaction, then you consume more and more, then your satisfaction will go negative. So till 50 unit is the maximum satisfaction you got from this ice cream, that is 50. That time marginal utility is equal to 0. That means if any additional unit you consume till this 50 unit or till this maximum satisfaction point, that time the additional unit consumption time your utility or satisfaction is equal to 0. Then after this maximum satisfaction point, any additional unit you consume from 50 to 6th cup, that time your marginal utility is negative. That means negative satisfaction you are getting. That means total utility was declining. That means 50 to 54. Sorry, 50 to 44. That means total utility is declining. Then how we can draw this one? Here this y-axis total utility, this cup of ice creams, marginal utility and cup of ice creams. Here this first unit, first cup total utility 20, then second that you mark it 20, this point, and second one 36, second unit 36, third unit 46, fourth unit 50 and fifth unit also 50, sixth unit that is 44, that means declining. In marginal utility, first unit consumption time 20, second one is 16, third 10, fourth 4, fifth 0 and sixth one is minus 6. So this you join like this. In this way you joined marginal utility and total utility. That time you can understand that this is the maximum point of this total utility. Total utility is maximum when the fifth unit or fifth ice cream consumption time total utility is maximum, that is 50. Total utility maximum. When this total utility maximum, that time marginal utility is equal to 0. Then this total utility goes down, that means it's declining. Total utility is declining. That time when one extra or additional unit consumed after this maximum satisfaction of 50 unit, then additional unit you are satisfying, that additional unit you are consuming, that is 60 unit, that time total utilities goes diminishing or decreasing. That time marginal utility is negative. Marginal utility negative. Then total utility increasing time, marginal utility is positive. Marginal utility is positive, but this total utility is increasing in a declining rate. Then 20, 36, 46, 50. But how this declining? By 20 to 36, the starting time 16 was the difference. Here then 10, then next 4, here 0, then minus 6. So it's a declining trend of rising till 50 unit. So my total utility is increasing at a diminishing rate. Total utility is maximum when marginal utility is equal to 0, and total utility is declining or decreasing when marginal utility is negative. So this is the graphical representation of total utility and marginal utility. I hope you understood this. I will come with more videos related with this. Until then, bye.